Hi, welcome to ECS 101 with Air Energy, the endocannabinoid educator. In this series, we're gonna break down the endocannabinoid system. We're gonna break down the who, the what, the when, the where, and the why of the endocannabinoid system, aka ECS. Let's get started. The who. So who has an endocannabinoid system? Everyone. All creatures, all people, all animals have an endocannabinoid system. I have one, you have one, your family and friends have one, your pets have one, the creatures that live outside have ones, the animals that live in the ocean have endocannabinoid systems. Insects are the only creature that do not have an endocannabinoid system. Let's move on. The what? What is the ECS? The ECS is a regulatory system that is interconnected with all of your other body systems. So your nervous system, your immune system, your endocrine system, your cardiovascular system, your digestive system, all of your systems are interconnected with the ECS because the ECS has receptors located within the cells and the organs of all of those systems. They're most dominantly located in your brain and spinal cord, so your central nervous system, and your immune system, so your lymphatic tissue and organs and white blood cells. But endocannabinoid receptors are found throughout your entire body. Your body also produces its own molecules that interact with these receptors, like a lock and key, and those are called endocannabinoids. And your body can produce these on demand, or when you do something or consume something, your body produces these endocannabinoids that interact with your endocannabinoid receptors and bring balance to your being. Let's move on. The when. When was the ECS first discovered? The first receptor was first discovered in 1988, and then for about 20 years, more components were discovered. So we've known about the endocannabinoid system now for about 15-20 years, and we definitely do not talk about it enough. That needs to change, and that's why we're doing this. Let's move on. The where. Where is the ECS located? So we touched on this, but the endocannabinoid system, ECS, is located throughout your entire body because it's interconnected with all of your other body systems, and you have receptors within all of those systems and organs, and your body naturally produces molecules that interact with those receptors all throughout your body. So because we have receptors located throughout our body and molecules that travel to interact with them that we produce naturally, the endocannabinoid system plays a role in influencing virtually all functions that take place, from appetite to emotional processing, mood, memory, learning, immune response, inflammatory response, pain sensation, sleep, temperature, and more. So the ECS plays a role in regulating all of these different processes. So it plays a huge role in the relaxation response, which is opposite of the stress response, which is where a lot of dysfunction, disease, and disorder comes from: stress. Finally, we have the why. Why do we have an ECS? We have an ECS to maintain balance. We have this system so that it can monitor and play a role in controlling all of the other systems so that they can run smoothly and in balance and in flow. We do things every day naturally that can elevate our endocannabinoid system and keep us in balance, keep stress down, keep inflammation down. It's up to us to include it into our lifestyle and do it. So exercising, eating omega-3s and omega-6s, meditating or doing yoga, or even interacting socially with people that bring you joy. All of those things boost our endocannabinoid system and therefore boost the function of all of our other systems, boost our immunity, help reduce inflammation, reduce stress, and just get you feeling better. So we have an endocannabinoid system to maintain balance, and we can utilize it to our advantage to improve that balance. But we got to know what it is and how to improve it. That was ECS 101. The who, the what, the when, the where, and the why of the ECS, aka endocannabinoid system. I hope you guys enjoyed this and got value out of it and learned something, and I will see you guys very soon. Have a beautiful day.